Good afternoon to all my beautiful Sazzy ladies. This is Miss Donna with Sazzy's Lingerie, located in downtown Overland Park, and welcome to Feather Boa Friday. Woohoo! So with everything that's kind of going on right now, and you've gone through winter and just everyday stuff, your lips may be a little chapped because you're busy talking or the weather's not good or whatnot. And what is a girl to do with chapped lips, especially when you have some lingerie to wear, you know, for that someone special? So I called a very dear friend of mine. Her name is Sara, and she's with Mary Kay Cosmetics, and she has a solution that I think all you ladies are going to love. So let's welcome Miss Sara to our show. Welcome, welcome.
Beautiful.
Mwah. So this is Sara. Her and I went to high school, so we graduated, you know, a couple of years ago.
Yes, only a couple.
And so Sara has been with Mary Kay. How long have you been with Mary Kay?
I started back in 1997, and I did Mary Kay when my children were small. It was my way of getting out of the house and getting away from mom, 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 mom. So, and then it kind of slipped off for a while, and now my children are grown and married, and I decided I needed to start my business back up.
There you go. So another small business, you know, owner who's also woman-based, which of course here at Sazzy's we always love to promote. And so to this chapped lip thing, what is a girl to do? Because you said you had some answers for us.
Mary Kay Satin Lips. It is the best.
Nice.
This is our sugar scrub Satin Lips, and
Okay.
it's exfoliator. And you put it on your lips, leave it on for a couple minutes, and then you scrub it off, and it's going to get rid of all those dead, icky, little
cells.
flaky.
Yeah. So let's do, can I try some today? Would you be okay with that?
Yes.
Awesome. But if you've watched the show, you know that Sara is not properly dressed. I'm not properly dressed. And we can't talk about some amazing satin lips unless we're properly dressed. So, feather boa.
Uh-oh.
All right, so I have a beautiful feather boa for you. It seems to be a lot of my guests' very favorite.
I can't imagine why.
It's pink and black. So there we go.
What do I have on? Pink and black.
Absolutely. So we have that from Miss Sara. And then I think I'm going to do the blue one today because I love this blue color. I think it
goes well with my pink paparazzi.
I think it does. It looks really good. Okay, so let's do a quick demo on this satin lipstick. Okay, so what do I need to do?
We're going to start with the sugar scrub.
And what is a scrub? Is it just like...
You're going to put it on your lips all over, and you're just it's going to scrub off all the little flaky stuff that we get.
Oh, okay.
And you use this 2 or 3 times a week. And in the wintertime, you know, I know we're just coming off the winter, but during the wintertime, it might need to use it a little more often.
So here's what it looks like here. You can see that.
And
it's really nice.
Yeah, it is sugar, and it is a citrus flavor. So if you lick it, it kind of
tastes really good.
Tastes like Fruit Loops.
I haven't had lunch yet, but I'm thinking this maybe.
Well, you know, I hope you're not on the Weight Watchers diet because you might get a little 5 or 6 extra points on that.
I think it's worth it. Okay, so I forgot to ask. I didn't have on lipstick, but do I need to take off my lipstick before I do this, or can I just put it on top of my lipstick?
If you put it on top of your lipstick, it's going to come. Your lipstick's going to come off.
Oh, okay.
Because you do want to take this off.
It doesn't matter then.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So now do I just take it off?
Yep.
Okay.
Just going to give it a good scrub.
So I have a paper towel and some water, and I'm just gonna take it off like that. Wipe it off.
There you go.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, we're on our way to kissable lips.
Wow, even that makes my lips feel a little bit better, which is good.
Yes.
I mean, they feel like lighter. It's kind of like a pedicure type thing.
Yes.
Where you
pedicure for your lips.
It is. It's like a pedicure for your lips. Wow, that's like noticeably different. Okay, so now what do I do?
So this is the lip balm.
Okay.
And you're going to put that on your lips, and it's kind of in the shape of a lipstick, and you just put it on your lips.
Now, do I wear this all day long, or what do I do?
Yes, that you put it on, and you can put lipstick on. I put it on under my pink paparazzi.
Okay.
And then put your lipstick on it. It hydrates your lips for about 6 hours.
Ooh, I like that. And it's light, and it doesn't... I don't feel like I have anything on.
Right.
Which is my favorite way of wearing makeup.
Yeah, and it gives a little bit of a sheen, so if you just want to go all natural.
Oh, I like that. Yeah. Okay, so if I want to put lipstick on top now, I can.
Yes.
I don't have to wait any amount of time or
Nope,
anything.
this went straight on after.
Perfect. Super simple, very quick. I could incorporate that into my morning makeup routine if I needed to, right?
Yes, yes. And 2 or 3 times a week, or, you know, if you're feeling you need a little extra, you can go more than that.
Oh, I love that. And so, Miss Sara, what is your favorite piece of lingerie?
Oh, I got to go with the corset.
Yay!
Yes, the corset kind of.
And she rocks the corsets, let me tell you. So,
thank you. My husband thinks so. And ladies, the Satin Lips, Kissable Lips, your husbands and your partners are really going to thank you for that.
Yay! All right, so if anyone needs to get a hold of Miss Sara, she is based here in Kansas City. We'll put all that information down below so you can get a hold of Miss Sara. If you are not in the Kansas City area, or if you don't have a makeup consultant near you, then just go to Mary Kay's website and
marykay.com, and on there it has a consultant locator. You can tap in your zip code and it'll come up with several local consultants to you. But if you do have your own consultant, please contact her first.
Absolutely. And that's how it should be.
Yes.
Well, thank you again, Miss Sara, for giving me kissable lips, and I'll just have to go try it out and see how it goes.
Awesome. Let me know.
Woohoo!
I want details.
Absolutely. All right. We will talk to you ladies later. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.
Bye.